Okay, hey yo guys, it's Lance here, and we're playing some Clash of Clans. This is my first video using screen capture. I'm using AZ screen capture. I don't know if it's on iOS, but I know it's on Android, the Play Store. Just look it up in the Play Store, and you will find it. Pretty good. I like it, but we're not gonna buy gems. But we're gonna just run a few attacks. Actually upgrading my after I upgrade this archer tower to level 8, I will only need to upgrade this archer tower to level 8 to be all level. Then I can upgrade them to max level 10 after that. This is my base. It's actually pretty good. I've only gotten attacked once with it, even though I have no shield. I haven't had a shield this entire day, so yeah. No one's attacked me yet. We're just gonna attack this goblin over here. All archers right here. Well, if we need to put down our king, we can. I don't think we need to, though. No, we don't need to at all. Bombs are actually... Okay, so let's return to home. I'm connected to this hotel Wi-Fi right here. So I'm connected to our hotel Wi-Fi right here, so it's kind of slow. So yeah. I'm just going to brew a Barch raid right here. $100 of those, and the rest will be barbarians. Okay. I like the new interface. I can just go like that. Yeah. So let's attack. We need fairly good loot, so this seems like it's pretty good. I could raid this. Some of it is in the elixir collectors, but most of it is in this. This might be a fail raid, guys, but I don't really care. Let's do this. So we're just gonna place these down right here and place them up here. So if they try to at least get some of these that are in the okay, clan casters. Put our king down. Okay, so now we just put down this. Now that the clan castle troops are dead, we can put these down. Okay, I got 2 stars so far. It's good. Okay, 56% didn't get the loot, but we got... I mean, I was going for loot, but I didn't really need it. I already have 1,000,000 gold right now. There's not much to do with it for me, except, like, I really need to upgrade my Wiz towers. And my air defenses too. So, let's upgrade our army camp. After this army camp is done, we'll have 200 troop capacity. Yep, I can upgrade them all 2 more times. That's troops capacity for the entire game. But I almost have max on hole 8. All I need is this one to be done. And I have not done my barracks in a long time, so I will upgrade my barracks. Definitely upgrade my barracks. That's pretty much my inventory right now. Let's see. This is like a pretty serious war clan right here. We only have like war. But yeah. This is, if y'all want to know more about the base, just tell me in the comments and I'll make a base build video. And a credit to the founder of the base, so that you guys can go sub to their channel if y'all want to see a base build. But I guess that's been it for this video, and I will see you later.